Alright, welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel guys. Today we're featuring something new again, something exciting. It's going to be number 165 out of 250, new for 2019. Hot Wheel with special features. So, Skyboat, Experimentors, 7 out of 10. I like actually this series because all the designers can use their brainstorm and designing some kind of weird car that could be potential later on into real cars. But a lot of, instead of taking a Hot Wheel like a regular car like McLaren and try to make a Hot Wheel, sometimes it's pretty hard to do all those lines and sketches and all that, even though everything's computerized. But anyways, back to this. Since there's not too much rules about designing Hot Wheels, a lot less than designing regular cars. Don't need to have an engine compartment, think about how to fit in that. All you need to do is think about the rivet compartment, is this, how to fit it in there, what to connect. But anyways, the designer of this Hot Wheel was Dmitry Shakhmatov. So he been designing a lot of cars actually lately. So anyways, this is a new for 2019 with special features. So let's just open it up first. Look again. Like I said, since it's a new for 2019. So far I know there's like two colors. One is this white and purple. The other one's like green and white and green. So anyways, let's look at the back, what it says. Fuel your imagination and get those wheels turning and experiment with the world around you. So special features right here. So flip the ball of Skyboat and it becomes a helicopter. The futuristic version of a convertible gives you the power to race anywhere on the land, sea, and air. So anyways, let's look at this, see how it works. There you go. See? Pretty nice. Beastie looking car again. With so much. Now it's a regular car. I mean, this is a helicopter. This is a boat where you can swim, float. Anyways, I'm not sure it's gonna float though, because it is a Hot Wheel. So let's see, white with the purple colors and white stripes. Skyboat. Gotta have the Hot Wheel logo somewhere. So like I said, it's right here. So one seater. Here's the grill. Don't see no headlights, so anyways, black wheels with a gold chrome around it, 5-spoke wheel, metal bottom, base with the M19. So if you guys don't know, the M stands for the year, 19 is the week it was built. So the 2019 is a M now, so I forgot they did start doing that since 2005, I believe, or something like that. So, but if you do the math, you know what to do, where it starts. So, actually, it drives pretty good. It rolls, not drives, but it rolls. I wonder how fast it's gonna go, and will it speed up and on the racetrack, which eventually I'll do both this way and this way. So guys, just keep an eye on it and we'll see what's going on. And when eventually I'll go put it on track and see how fast it goes. So thank you guys, have a great day. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, especially help me go viral. That's what I wanted. I want to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for all your subscribers. Right now I just hit 53. And I want more. Actually, I want to hit at least to 100 at the end of the year. At least, if not more. So just keep on those views. Keep on watching. You guys share If you got kids, please subscribe. This channel will be kids friendly. They can learn about Hot Wheels a little bit here and there, you know, and something friendly to watch instead of just some kind of fighting cartoons or something that could be effective for them. Do a bad effect, but those guys, just please watch, like, subscribe. Thank you.